matter where you look around, the one thing that is hard to miss is plastic. Plastic has invaded every aspect of our lifestyle.
We use them as containers, bags, accessories, bottles, and in tools, appliances.
Irresponsible use and disposal of plastic is choking lives literally.
Plastic waste washed from the shores into the sea have become killing mines to marine animals and birds. 70% of the marine trash is attributed to recreational waste.
ಸಮುದ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 80% ಕಲ್ಮಶ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನಿಂದಾಗಿದೆ. 95% ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
95% of all seabirds have plastic in them. Such birds and animals choke, starve and die a miserable death.
ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಉಸಿರುಕಟ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಹಸಿವಿನಿಂದ ಸಾಯುತ್ತವೆ.
According to UN Environmental Program, at least 1 million birds, 10 lakh mammals like dolphins, whales, seals are killed every year.
Plastic waste in oceans and seas have become huge that they are literally the size of continent. Here are some facts.
One such plastic continent is 6 times the size of India. It is floating in the Pacific Ocean, extending from USA to Japan.
ಸಾಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಸ ಈಗ ಖಂಡಗಳಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿವೆ. ಈ ಬಗೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಖಂಡ ಭಾರತದ 6ರಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಅಮೆರಿಕದಿಂದ ಜಪಾನ್ವರೆಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸಿದೆ.
Nearly 600,000 tons, that is 600 million kg of waste plastic is believed to have settled around the North Pole.
600 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕೆಜಿಯಷ್ಟು ತೂಕದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಧ್ರುವದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಾಗರದ ತಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ.
You may be wondering what has this got to do with what we do in lands. What we practice in lands is what we do when we visit beaches.
ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿನ ಆಚಾರ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳೇ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ತೀರದಲ್ಲೂ ಆಚರಣೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಸ ಎಸೆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಮುದ್ರ ತೀರದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Our behavior and mindset need a complete makeover to be able to deal with the nuisance. It is almost impossible to imagine life without plastic. It is not plastic itself that is the problem. The real problem is how we use them and how we dispose them of.
September 20th is marked as Coastal Cleanup Day. Around 2,500 volunteers in Singapore collected 9.2 tons of waste from just 7 beaches. We are nature lovers, aren't you too? Don't you love animals and birds? Here are some ways we as children, future of this globe, respond. Let us imitate this cleanup in a small scale locally every day. Practice the 3R principle: reduce, reuse and recycle.
Pick up 5 pieces of plastic waste every day and dispose it in the nearby trash.
Reduce, reuse and recycle is the only way, because if we continue to generate waste at this pace and quantity, the plastic is not going to go away.
ನೀವು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯರಾದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಎರಚಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3R ನಿಯಮ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಪುನರ್ಬಳಸಿ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪುನರಾವರ್ತಿಸಿ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ.
Let us not become part of problem. Let us be part of solution. Let us not worry about others. Let's be the change we wish to see.
Reporting for SRVK News, I am Manoj, 6th standard.
I am Dhanraj, 7th standard.
I am Mahadev, 6th standard. I am Shashikala, 6th standard.
I am Chaitra, 7th standard.